Hey everyone, I'm Carl with Centurion Pro. In our last video, we covered the unboxing and assembly of our HP3 Triple Bucker. If you need help with the assembly of your HP3 Triple Bucker, be sure to watch our previous video by clicking on the link above or in the description below. Today, we're going to take a look at a fully assembled HP3, who it's best suited for, its key components, and electrical requirements. Let's get to it. HP refers to high performance and represents our workhorse line of buckers. The high production value of these machines results in the industry's highest buck rate per hour. The HP line of buckers utilizes two rollers that pull the stem into the machine, thereby popping the leaf and flowers off. This allows you to continuously feed the bucker for more efficient de-stemming. Just like the HP1 single bucker, the HP3 Triple Bucker comes with industrial casters and the option of off-road wheel assembly. The HP3 Triple Bucker is a multi-operator run industrial de-stemming machine that requires 3 operators for optimal speed and workflow efficiency. Each workstation has 5 sizes of Infeed holes to provide versatility and improve processing capacity. Each Centurion Pro HP workstation will accept stems up to 3/4 inch in diameter. This bucking system is powered by 3 0.75 horsepower motors and include variable speed control to provide unsurpassed power and versatility. It's important to note that the variable speed control settings come preset from the factory, so you shouldn't have to adjust anything except the variable speed control knob itself. All the other settings should not be adjusted without first consulting a Centurion Pro rep. A huge benefit to the variable speed control is that you can run both wet and dry product using this machine. The system is easy to set up and is composed of stainless steel and anodized aluminum, so it's as robust as it is easy to clean. When running product with your HP Bucker, it's important to always use the smallest hole that corresponds to your stem size. If you pick a hole that's too big, you'll end up with flowers still attached to the stem, so it'll require a second run, or worst case, it may even cause a jam. On top of each workstation, you'll find an emergency stop button. When triggered, it immediately cuts the power supply, which turns off the bucker. The electrical requirements for the HP3 are 15 amp on 120 volt and 7.5 amp on 240 volt. Your HP Bucker must be used in connection with a properly grounded receptacle. Never plug in or power up your machine if the protective shrouds have been removed. Also, when using an extension cord, never use anything longer than 25 feet. It's also important to never use unrated extension cords, as it may cause overheating or premature failure of the machine. We just covered the overview of your HP3 Triple Bucker. Now, make sure you visit our website and complete the warranty registration within 30 days of purchase. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other great videos to help streamline your operation and make the most of your bucker purchase. In our next video, we'll show you how to organize and prepare your product to create an optimal bucking workflow. If you still have any questions or issues related to your bucker that we didn't cover in these videos, make sure you email us at techsupport@cprosolutions.com. Thank you for watching and happy harvest.